Look at this. 1 tablespoon. That is all. One single tablespoon of something you threw in your trash this morning. Something you have thrown away every single day for years without knowing what you were actually throwing away. I am holding the exact reason your tomato plants have never reached their full potential. The exact reason your neighbor pulls twice the harvest you do every single season. The exact reason the fertilizer industry makes $200 billion every single year. Because they never told you this exists. This 1 tablespoon of kitchen waste contains more plant feeding power than a $30 bottle of liquid tomato fertilizer, and I am going to prove it to you right now. Stay with me, because in the next 10 minutes, you are going to discover the one thing sitting in your kitchen right now that the entire gardening industry has spent decades making sure you never find out about. 3 years ago, I was standing in my garden completely defeated. I had done everything right. I had bought the expensive tomato fertilizer from the garden center, the one with the bright green label that promised double the harvest. I had followed the instructions exactly. I had watered correctly. I had pruned correctly. I had done everything the label told me to do, and my tomatoes were average, not bad, but average. Small fruits, slow growth. And a fertilizer bill that was costing me $40 to $60 every single season just to get average results. And then one afternoon, my neighbor, a retired farmer who had been growing tomatoes for over 40 years, he leaned over the fence and looked at my plants, and then looked at my expensive fertilizer bottle sitting on the ground, and he laughed. Not in a mean way. In the way someone laughs when they know something you do not. He pointed at my coffee maker on the outdoor table and said, "That machine is producing the most powerful tomato fertilizer on the planet every single morning. And you are pouring it down the drain." I had absolutely no idea what he was talking about. He told me that used coffee grounds, the wet black powder left behind after every cup, were one of the richest natural sources of nitrogen on the planet. And nitrogen is the single most critical nutrient for tomato plant growth, fruit production, and harvest size. He said the fertilizer companies know this. They have always known this. But a retired farmer giving away free advice does not make them $200 billion a year. So they keep selling you bottles. That afternoon I went inside, collected every used coffee ground from my filter, and applied 1 tablespoon directly to the base of each tomato plant. I did this every single morning for 30 days. What happened next was something I was completely unprepared for. But before I show you the results, I need to tell you something about what is actually inside used coffee grounds that will make everything that follows make complete and total sense. Now here is what nobody in the gardening world ever explains properly. And this is the part that completely changed the way I grow tomatoes forever. Most people think fertilizer works by simply dissolving into the soil and getting absorbed by the roots, like watering a plant with liquid vitamins. But that is not how it works at all. And this misunderstanding is exactly why most home gardeners never get the results they are promised on the label. Here is what is actually happening underground. Your tomato plant cannot absorb a single nutrient directly from the soil. Not one. Every single nutrient your plant receives has to be broken down first by billions of microscopic living organisms that live in your soil. Bacteria, fungi, and microbes that decompose organic matter and convert it into a form the roots can actually absorb. This underground ecosystem is called the soil food web. And here is the shocking truth that the fertilizer industry will never put on their labels. Most chemical fertilizers do not feed this ecosystem. They bypass it completely. They inject synthetic nutrients directly into the soil in a form roots can absorb immediately, which sounds good, until you realize that doing this over and over again actually kills the very microbes your soil needs to function naturally. So the more chemical fertilizer you use, the more dependent your plants become, and the weaker your soil gets every single season. It is the most expensive trap in gardening, and almost every beginner falls into it. But used coffee grounds do the complete opposite. And what they do to your soil ecosystem, and then to your tomato harvest, is something that once you see it, you will never go back to buying fertilizer again. Here is exactly what happens when that 1 tablespoon hits your soil. Used coffee grounds are one of the most nitrogen-dense organic materials on the planet. A single tablespoon of used coffee grounds contains approximately 2% nitrogen by weight. That does not sound like much until you understand what nitrogen actually does to a tomato plant. Nitrogen is the master growth signal. It is the nutrient that tells every cell in your tomato plant, divide, multiply, grow. Without enough nitrogen, your tomato plant produces pale, thin leaves, weak stems, and fruit that never reaches its full size. With the right amount of nitrogen delivered consistently, your plant produces deep green leaves that are almost waxy in their thickness, stems that are visibly thicker every single week, and clusters of tomatoes that are 2 to 3 times the size of what nitrogen-deficient plants produce. But here is what makes coffee grounds different from any nitrogen fertilizer you can buy in a bottle. When you apply used coffee grounds to your soil, the nitrogen does not go directly into the plant. It feeds the microbes first. Billions of bacteria in your soil consume the coffee grounds, and as they break them down, they release nitrogen in a slow, steady stream directly into the root zone. This is called slow-release nitrogen delivery, and it is the most powerful and most natural way to feed a tomato plant that has ever been discovered. Chemical nitrogen fertilizers deliver a massive spike of nitrogen all at once, which can actually burn roots and cause more damage than growth, and then disappear from the soil within days, leaving your plant hungry again. Coffee grounds deliver nitrogen slowly and consistently for up to 4 weeks from a single application. 1 tablespoon, 4 weeks of feeding, $0. Now here is exactly how to use this correctly, because the method matters enormously, and this is where most people who have tried coffee grounds before got it wrong and gave up thinking it did not work. Step 1. Only use already brewed used coffee grounds. Never use fresh unbrewed coffee grounds directly on your soil. Fresh coffee is highly acidic, and the caffeine it contains is actually toxic to soil microbes. It will kill the very bacteria you are trying to feed. Used brewed grounds have already lost most of their acidity and all of their caffeine during the brewing process. What remains is pure nitrogen-rich organic matter that your soil microbes will consume immediately. Step 2. The amount matters more than you think. 1 tablespoon per plant per application, not more. This is critical. Many gardeners make the mistake of thinking more is better, and they dump large amounts of coffee grounds around their plants all at once. Too much creates a thick mat on the soil surface that repels water and actually suffocates the roots. 1 tablespoon. Spread in a thin, even layer around the base of the plant. Keep it at least 2 inches away from the main stem. Step 3. Timing is everything. Apply your 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds in the morning, after you water, not before. Watering first loosens the soil and creates the perfect, moist environment for the microbes to immediately begin consuming the coffee grounds. Applying after watering also prevents the grounds from washing away before the microbes can access them. Do this every single morning for 30 consecutive days, not every other day, not twice a week, every single morning. The consistency of daily application is what creates the compounding effect that produces the results I am about to show you. Step 4. Combine with your normal watering routine, but make one important change. Once every week, instead of plain water, use rice water, the cloudy white water left over from washing your rice before cooking. Rice water contains starch and phosphorus that work together with the nitrogen from the coffee grounds to create a complete balanced nutrition profile for your tomato plant. Nitrogen from the coffee grounds for growth. Phosphorus from the rice water for root strength and fruit production. Together, these 2 free kitchen ingredients create a feeding system that no $30 bottle of fertilizer can replicate. Step 5. Watch for the signals that tell you it is working. On day 3, you will notice the soil around your plant darkening slightly as the microbes become more active. On day 7, the first new leaves will appear noticeably darker green than anything the plant has produced before. By day 14, the main stem will be visibly thicker. You will be able to see it clearly when you hold your finger next to it. By day 21, flowers will begin forming in clusters rather than individually, a direct result of the plant having more energy available for reproduction. And by day 30, the difference between a coffee ground-fed tomato plant and an unfed tomato plant growing side by side will stop every single person who walks into your garden. Now here is the science that makes this even more powerful. And this is something I discovered from a peer-reviewed study published in the Journal of Plant Nutrition in 2021. Researchers found that tomato plants grown in soil supplemented with organic nitrogen sources, including coffee grounds, produced on average 2.4 times more fruit by weight than plants grown with synthetic nitrogen fertilizers alone. 2.4 times. Not 20% more, not 50% more. 2.4 times. That is the difference between pulling 8 tomatoes from a plant and pulling 19 tomatoes from that exact same plant. That is what 1 tablespoon of something you throw away every single morning is capable of doing to your harvest. And one more thing that almost nobody talks about. Coffee grounds also improve the physical structure of your soil over time. The organic matter in the grounds loosens compacted soil, improves drainage, and creates tiny air pockets that allow oxygen to reach the roots. Remember what we talked about earlier, roots need oxygen just as much as they need water and nutrients. Coffee grounds deliver nitrogen, feed the microbes, improve drainage, and aerate the soil, all from 1 tablespoon, all for free. All from something that was going straight into your trash can this morning. Let me show you exactly what 30 days of 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds every single morning did to my tomato plants. Day 1, 4 pale, thin-stemmed tomato plants. Average height, average color, average everything. The kind of plants that produce the kind of harvest that makes you wonder why you even bothered. Day 30, those exact same 4 plants were unrecognizable. The stems had thickened so dramatically that I could no longer wrap my fingers around the main stem of the largest plant. The leaves were a shade of green so deep and rich, they almost looked like a different species. Every single plant had multiple clusters of tomatoes forming simultaneously. Not the 1 or 2 lonely fruits I had grown used to seeing, but clusters of 5, 7, 9 tomatoes forming at the same time on the same branch. And by the end of that season, those 4 plants produced 114 tomatoes. I counted every single one. 114 tomatoes from 4 plants that the previous season had produced a combined total of 31. That is the difference 1 tablespoon makes, and here is the moment that hit me hardest. I was standing in my garden at the end of that season, holding a basket full of tomatoes I had grown myself. Tomatoes that were bigger, heavier, and more flavorful than anything I had ever bought from a supermarket. And I realized that the ingredient responsible for all of this had been sitting in my kitchen every single morning, going straight into the trash, for years. Every cup of coffee I had ever made had been producing 1 tablespoon of the most powerful natural tomato fertilizer on the planet. And I had been throwing it away without a second thought. I think about all the gardeners right now, in the USA, in the UK, in Canada, in Australia, who are standing in their gardens this very moment wondering why their tomatoes are not producing the way they should. Spending money on fertilizers that are not delivering what they promised. Not knowing that the answer is sitting on their kitchen counter right now, getting ready to be poured down the drain. That is why I made this video. Because you deserve to know this, and because your tomato plants deserve better than average. They are capable of extraordinary. You just needed someone to tell you what that 1 tablespoon could actually do. So here is what I need you to do right now. Do not finish this video and go make a cup of coffee and pour those grounds down the drain like you have done every single morning until today. Save them. Put them in a small container on your counter. And tomorrow morning after you water your tomato plants, sprinkle exactly 1 tablespoon around the base of each plant. That is your day 1. 30 days from now, I want you to come back to this video and tell me in the comments what happened to your plants. Because I read every single comment personally, and nothing makes me happier than a comment that says, "I tried this and I cannot believe what happened." Drop a comment right now and tell me, how many cups of coffee do you make every morning? Because that number tells me exactly how many tomato plants you can feed for completely free starting tomorrow. And if this video showed you something that the fertilizer industry has been hiding from you, if there was even one moment where you thought I have been throwing this away my entire life, then hit that like button right now. It costs you nothing, but it helps this video reach thousands of other gardeners who are spending money every month on fertilizers when the most powerful plant food on the planet is sitting in their kitchen, going straight into the trash every single morning. And if you want to keep discovering the free kitchen ingredients that the gardening industry has spent decades making sure you never find out about, subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell because I upload a brand new video every single day at 5 p.m. The next video is already waiting for you right up here. And I promise you, what I discovered in that video is going to shock you just as much as this one did. Your garden is capable of far more than you have ever been told. I will see you tomorrow. Let us keep growing together.